We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape for 3D printing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the new features. Once Inkscape is open, go to the top menu and click on File, then New to start a new project. You'll want to set your document properties correctly for 3D printing. Click on File again, then Document Properties. Set your units to since 3D printers typically use millimeters. Now you need to create your design. Use the shape tools on the left to draw the basic outline of your object. You can create rectangles, circles, or any custom shape by using the freehand tool. Once your 2D design is ready, you need to convert it to a path, which is essential for 3D printing. Select your object, then go to Path in the top menu and click Object to Path. This converts your shape into a path that a 3D printer can understand. Now comes the crucial part, exporting the design to a format your 3D printer can read. Inkscape doesn't directly export to STL format used by 3D printer can read. Inkscape doesn't directly export to STL format used by 3D printer can read. Inkscape doesn't directly export to STL format used by 3D printers, but you can save your file as an SVG and then use a program like OpenSCAD or Tinkercad to convert the SVG to STL to save your design. Go to File, then Save As and choose SVG format. Once saved, import this SVG file into a 3D modeling software that supports STL export. Open the software, import the SVG, and then follow the software's process to convert and export as an STL file. Make sure to check your 3D model in the software for any errors or scaling issues before sending it to the printer. And there you have it, your design is ready for 3D printing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.